Make sure you have glasses for safety, and then you have earplugs. Let's put them on and get started. Set them all up. 30, 20, 15. You can make different measurements. It's up to you how big you want to make it. So let's get started. Put it all together. What you want to do is put 4 screws. Just line it up. Put the first one in. And line up the top one. Then grab another 30-inch. These are 30, that's 20. Line it up how you want it. Put the first one in. Don't put it all the way. Line it up. Second one. Same thing on this side. Put another one. So this one you can just set it like this. Put it on. Line it up. Make sure it lines up everywhere. Nice and straight. Same thing here. Line it up. So make 2 of these, 2 30-inch, 2 20-inch, and we'll go from there. Also, if you want to know how to make this bench, it takes like 7 to 10 minutes to make it. You can watch my another video. You can make it better. I just needed something really quick so I can build this. What you want to do is grab the 15-inch, put it right there, set it up. First, what you want to do is put the screws on, just like 1/4 way. Just to get them started. Line up, put this one first. Doesn't matter which one, but line it up just like this. Right there. I'll put mine a little bit closer. An angle. That's done. Let's set it up on this side. Do the same thing. Take this out. Put it sideways. Do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So I put all these 4 supports. 1, 2, 3, 4. And some of them I just put 1 screw. Because I mean, it's pretty sturdy. I could probably even stand on it. See, right there. Nice and sturdy. So cut another 2 pieces of wood. I do 8 inches. So however high the roof you want. This can be for the roof material. So what you want to do is put it in sideways. Put the screw sideways like this. And put one here. Same thing with the other side. So you can get a piece of wood like this to go at the top. What I'm gonna use a nail gun to nail it. You can use a screwdriver. Like this. So grab a nail gun. Make sure it's lined up here. Lined up on this side. Nice and straight. Put one nail in. Line it up. Make sure it's nice and straight. Same thing on this side. Line it up. If you want, you can still put some screws in there. So what you want to do is, to get these 2 pieces of wood, just cut it in half. I only have this available, so this is what I'll be doing. So about half is 1 inch 3/4. So I go like this, press this, hold it, so it's kind of straight, like that. Over on this side, show you this angle. Just like that. Go here, set up your saw. Got 6 of these. Let's get started. Line one up. Use both of them. Make sure they're lined up somewhat. Hold this thing here. Put a nail in. Put one more nail here. Nice straight. One right there. Put one nail this way. Nice and steady. Same thing to the rest. So if you want to stay tuned for part 2, and there's gonna be part 3. Part 2, I'm gonna put the siding and the roof on, and part 3, we're gonna paint it, make it look nice